Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to modify your GIF in Canva. So before uploading your GIF into Canva, make sure to upload it in MP4 format, because Canva only supports MP4 files for this purpose. You will just need to convert your GIF to MP4 to be able to edit and change the speed of your GIF. So ensure your GIF is in MP4 format before uploading. Just upload it from your computer. Here, this is my MP4 file. This is my MP4 file, and right now it's in MP4, and it was originally a GIF that I converted to MP4. You can simply go to a website and convert a GIF to MP4. There are plenty of sites that do this for free. After that, upload it from your computer, and now you are ready to proceed. You'll see that there is a speed option, right? Just click on it, and now you can simply drag to adjust the speed. Choose slower or faster as you like. I'll go with a slower speed, maybe this one. Looks good to me. Yeah, now I'm ready to go. To export it, we need to go to this here and go to the download option. Since it's a GIF, I'll be downloading it in GIF format, so just select the GIF format and download it. So now you have successfully modified your GIF video, either slowed it down or made it faster. This is how you can change the speed of your GIF in Canva within a few minutes. That was a simple tutorial. If you have any questions, please comment below.